for the best fall decor and fall inspiration on a budget? Well, in today's video, I'm giving you some fall inspiration and some fall motivation, and you'll get to see what's in Kirkland's and what's in Hobby Lobby. So if you want to decorate and see what's in the stores, but you don't want to break the bank, then keep watching.
Hey, I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
My channel. So today I'm going to be doing part 2 of my fall decor and decorating ideas, and what I'm going to be doing today is that we're going to be working on this entryway table that's right here behind me, just right here, just on top a little bit there. And then also I'm going to be possibly going into our master bedroom and just doing a little bit of decorating in there. I don't really have a lot, as you guys know. I like simple decorating items, and that's just something just to change the look. And that's all that I'm really going for. And that is what we're working on today. So if that is what you're here for, please stay tuned and see what I do to this entryway here, and as well as our master bedroom.
Tell me, mother, did you miss me when I broke free? When I grabbed a bus to anywhere just to be elsewhere. I long to belong. Hitched a ride into the sunset, felt like Juliet, on my way to meet my lover, a dream uncovered.
so on to decorating. I got a lot of these items from Hobby Lobby, but I also got a lot of them from the Dollar Tree. So this little item here that I'm putting in the middle of this little wooden basket here, I got that from the Dollar Tree, and you'll see that I use this multiple ways just by cutting a leaf off or two and just adding to the decor to bring in some color. These little pumpkins were left over from when I decorated the living room and kitchen. So if you have not seen that video, I'm going to link it in the description box below, and that way you guys can check out my fall decor of my kitchen and living room as well. And you guys, please make sure you stay until the end because I have a wonderful fall dessert to share with you at the end.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know.
Okay, you guys, so this is it for the entryway table. So now I'm going to move on to the master bedroom. I'm going to kind of tidy up a little bit, and then I'm going to start decorating in here. Again, just put in some fall colors in here just to kind of change up the look a little bit.
XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up.
Okay, you guys, so moving on to my fall dessert. These were absolutely delicious, I have to tell you guys. They are called pumpkin whoopie pies with cream cheese filling. And I will link the recipe in the description box below, but I'll tell you what was in there. It was 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of vegetable shortening, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 cups of canned pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And what you do is mix all the dry ingredients and then mix all the wet ingredients, and then of course fold them in together. And then we'll make the cream cheese filling.
An ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm.
And then you guys, you bake them at 350 for 20 minutes. And for the cream cheese filling is 3 cups of powdered sugar, a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and an 8-ounce thing of cream cheese. And once you bake them, they come out, and then you just spread the cream cheese in between 2 pies, and they are so good. If you guys try this recipe, please let me know, comment below. And this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope it helped you with your fall decorating ideas and inspiration. If you want more videos, please hit the subscribe button and comment and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Everything feels